taking a peek at the key fob for the Honda Prologue. Back side of the fob is just the Honda logo. Front side, you've got the lock button, unlock button, remote start, trunk release, horn or panic alarm, and then there's also a release there, and that's for the emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you, what you're gonna do, hop underneath here, you can see that there's this little hole. You're just gonna insert and then push in order to remove the cover. Then it's just a traditional mechanical key, and then all you're gonna do is slide the key fob in the cup holder and then push to start. Straightforward there. Then there are so many different things that you can do, and actually, one interesting one is there is a walkway lock feature. So as long as you've got the key fob on you, start walking away from the vehicle, and after a second, once it recognizes it, there we go. You can see there, auto lock. So pretty useful if you don't want to take your key fob out of your bag, purse, pocket, whatever the case may be. To remote start is straightforward. So you just push the lock button once, circle button twice, and that's going to remote start. You can see there, the lights come on, so we know it's remote started. To cancel, push and hold that button instead. Then getting into the trunk can be done a few different ways. So you can double push in order to be able to pop open the trunk. There is also the option for a foot activated lift gate. Then from here, you can also set a unique height. So if this is too high, you can pull it down to whatever level you'd like to, and then you're just gonna push and hold that button, and then the liftgate door wouldn't open up past that point. But like I said, there's also the option for a foot activated kick if you'd like to. And then one other neat key fob trick that you can do, and that's rolling the windows down. So what you're gonna do is double push the unlock button, and then on the second button push, you're gonna hold. So you're gonna go 1, 2, and hold. As they start rolling down, you can then release, but that's rolling down all 4 windows. It's driver passenger side, first and second row. Now the downside is that you can't roll them back up again, but you can at least roll them down. Then, to make sure that all of these are set up, what you're gonna do, inside of the infotainment system, you're gonna go to settings, vehicle, and then so many options here. So your power door locks, you can figure out unlock locking, then your remote start, things like that. So you can get the remote door unlock to happen. When you remote start, do you want your heated ventilated seats to come on automatically? Yay, nay. Your remote window operation, that's the one where you push and hold in order to unlock, or to roll the windows down, I should say. And then you've also got your passive door lock. So as you start to walk away with the fob on you, it can automatically lock the doors for you. You can have it just lock, but I like to get that horn chirp just to know that the door has actually locked. And there are so many other features inside of this screen. So if you want a full walkthrough on the infotainment or the steering wheel buttons, the cluster, etc., you'll find those down below. But that's how you use the key fob inside of the Honda Prologue.